Hello everybody and welcome to HomeSip. I am Nader and in this video I will be making some lemongrass gin highballs. Let's go! The cool thing about highballs is that it doesn't take you much effort to make them. No shaking required, just a big glass where we're going to build our ingredients and then top it off with a filler. Let's start with a lemongrass and grapefruit Collins. For this, we're gonna take our lemongrass gin infusion and measure 60 ml or 2 ounces. Now I'm gonna squeeze a half of lime. Let's fill up the glass with ice all to the top. Fill up with grapefruit lemonade. As for the garnish, I picked up some fresh Thai basil. And there you have it, a lemongrass and grapefruit Collins. Cheers. Half of lime and fill up with ice. And to finish off our drink, we're gonna fill it up with mango lemonade. As for the garnish, I'm gonna stick to Thai basil. And there you have it, lemongrass and mango Collins. So let's start. 60 ml of lemongrass gin. Again, half of lime. Ice to the top. And top off with ginger beer. And garnish nice and aromatic Thai basil. And there you have a lemongrass and ginger Collins. Cheers. Hey, thank you for watching till the end. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you do so, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't miss our future videos. Cheers!